Okay, so it's been raining a lot lately, so guess I'll show you my bike. The camera's really messed up, so I don't know how good this will be. Let's see. Kink bars. They're pretty good. They're wide. My other bike were pretty skinny. They're right here. Those are really small. You can see them. Yeah, they're really small compared to my new ones. It's got a 24-75 top tube. It's my front rim. It's got just, I don't know, it's just stock. Has the Alienation PBR, I think. Yeah. I don't know if you can see it, but plain black rim PBR. It's just the whip. Kink bike coat. It's got a really thin sprocket right there. Hasn't bent on me yet, so I need to get a new one yet. Odyssey twisted PC pedals. They're pretty good. Don't hurt as much as metal ones. My other metal pedals had pins in them and always hurt when I hit my shins. Kink Pivotal Slim seat. It's pretty good. I don't really like to ride it slammed because that's just how I roll. And then here at the back we have the Alienation Rush V2 free coaster hub linked to laced to a, let's see, where is it? Alienation black sheep rim with 182mm burgundy Primo spokes. I made it. It's pretty true. I don't know. Let's see. Very true. Wobbles a little bit, but I mean, I'll probably fix that later. For this, I ride full slack. I'll show you. Here. My free coaster, or full slack until it engages. You know, right there. And it stops right there. Stop right there. Yeah. Full slack's where it's at. It's adjusted right there. Slack. Things in the way. You get out of my way. Yeah, it's right there. You adjust it right there with an Allen wrench. Right there. Yeah, that's pretty much it, I guess. It's a pretty sick bike. It has brakes. My other one didn't have brakes because I took them off. I don't know if I'm taking these ones off yet. But yeah, it's a pretty cool bike. Oh, and the spindle on the cranks is 19mm. I had to email them about that in case I needed a new crank set. So if you have this bike and want to know, it's a 19mm spindle right there, you know, that thing that it's connected to. Yeah, okay. I'll see you later.